Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Income Projection Formula for $750 monthly income. First, let's understand the goal shown in this model. The target is to build a dividend portfolio that can generate $750 per month in dividend income. In the formula, this monthly dividend income goal is represented by G. So here, G equals $750 per month. Next, because dividend income is usually calculated on an annual basis, we convert the monthly target into a yearly target. To do that, we multiply the monthly income goal by 12. So, $750 multiplied by 12 equals $9,000 per year. This means the portfolio needs to generate around $9,000 in annual dividends to reach the $750 monthly income target. After that, we estimate the average dividend yield. In this example, the dividend yield is 4%. Dividend yield means the annual dividend income earned for every dollar invested. For example, if a portfolio has a 4% dividend yield, then every $100 invested may generate around $4 per year in dividend income. Then, we calculate the required portfolio value. The formula is required portfolio value equals annual dividend target divided by dividend yield. In this example, the annual dividend target is $9,000 and the yield is 4%, or 0.04. So, $9,000 divided by 0.04 equals $225,000. This means a portfolio of around $225,000 at a 4% dividend yield can target about $750 per month in dividend income. Now, the important part is understanding how to build that portfolio. The slide shows that portfolio growth can come from monthly investing, investment returns, and reinvested dividends. Monthly contribution is represented by C, average annual return is represented by R, reinvestment of dividends is turned on, and time is represented by T years. In simple words, when you invest every month, your money starts working in the market. Then, if your investments grow and dividends are reinvested, those dividends can buy more shares. Over time, those additional shares may also produce more dividends, creating a compounding effect. Next, let's look at the example projection path. In this example, the monthly contribution is $1,200, the average annual return is 8%, the dividend yield is 4%, and all dividends are reinvested. Based on these assumptions, after 5 years, the portfolio may grow to around $88,200. At a 4% yield, this could produce about $3,527 per year, or around $294 per month. Then, by year 10, the portfolio may grow to around $219,500. At a 4% dividend yield, that could generate about $8,781 per year, or around $732 per month. This is very close to the $750 monthly dividend income target. After that, by year 15, the portfolio may grow to around $415,200. At the same 4% yield, this could generate around $16,610 per year, or about $1,384 per month. This shows how staying invested longer can increase the income potential significantly. Moreover, the quick income formula makes the calculation easier. Monthly dividend income equals portfolio value multiplied by dividend yield, divided by 12. So, using the target portfolio example, $225,000 multiplied by 4%, divided by 12 equals $750 per month. Next, the slide shows what can speed up the process. You can increase monthly contributions, reinvest every dividend, choose sustainable dividend growers, stay invested longer, and improve yield carefully without taking excessive risk. However, chasing very high dividend yields can be dangerous, because high yields may sometimes signal higher risk or unstable payouts. Therefore, the key takeaway is simple. A portfolio around $225,000 at a 4% yield can target about $750 per month in dividend income. But reaching that target depends on consistent investing, reinvestment, time, market returns, and dividend stability. Finally, remember that this is an illustrative example only. Actual returns, dividend yields, stock prices, taxes, and payouts can change. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.